Hey and welcome back. In this video we are going to solve a JavaScript challenge. First of all, let's have a look at our challenge. As you can see here in this task, you are provided with two calculations with the results stored in the variables result and result2. You need to take the calculations, multiply them and format the result to two decimal places. Okay, here we have two variables called result and result2. We have to multiply them first of all and format the result to two decimal places. Okay, got it? Now multiply result and result2 and assign the result back to result using assignment shorthand. Okay, this is going to be like result. We have to use assignment shorthand equals to result2. Now as you can see here, we have multiplied our result, this equation with this equation, and now we are assigning the answer of multiplication again into the result. Now let's have a look at our second task. Format result so that it has two decimal places and store it in a variable called final result. Now first of all, let's have a look at our current result answer. As you can see here, we have 4633.33 and so on. Now we have to convert this into two decimal places and have to store in a variable which is going to be final result equals to result. Now here we are going to use toFixed function, toFixed, and the amount of decimal places that we wanted. Now if I console.log final result, let's see if our result got updated. As you can see here, now we only have two decimal places. Now let's have a look at task 3. Check the data type of final result using typeof. If it's a string, convert it to a number type and store the result in variable called final number. Okay, now we have to check the data type of our final result variable. Final result, let's check it in console.log. Final result type of, and let me cut this here and provide it here and paste it over here. Now if I see our data type is string, now what we have to do is check the data type of final result using typeof. If it's a string, convert it to a number type and store the result in variable called final number. Okay, now we have to first of all create a new variable which is going to be final number, and then we are going to convert the data type of our final result variable which is string. Number, we are going to use a function called number. This function will convert any string data type into number, and I'm going to provide the name of our variable. Now if I console.log final number, as you can see here, okay, I have to check the type of final number. As you can see here, now it's string, so our task 3 is also completed. Okay, now update the original calculation so that they give you a value of 10.42. Don't change the numbers or the operators. To pass this test, final number should have a result of 10.42. Okay, how we are going to complete this? Don't change the numbers or the operators. We don't have to change the number and operators. Then the only thing that we are left with is parentheses. Let's see, by adding parentheses, what are we going to get? Let's see if it's gonna fix our issue. Console.log final number. Console is not okay. A spelling mistake. Yeah, our answer is correct. So this is it for our challenge. Hope you liked it. We're gonna have a complete playlist related to JavaScript. So be patient. I'll meet you in the next video.